Tashi Delek, Sangma Tashi Delek.
Tashi Delek.
Tashi Delek, Tashi
Tashi-delek.
Tashi-delek.
Tashi-delek, tension la.
Tashi Delek, Sangma La. Okay, Tashi Delek. Oh yeah, Sangma Lep Song. Okay. Lasso. Yeah, Markla in the Markla. Markla, di karele.
I don't remember.
Hakoma. You can
Sorry.
say Hakoma song, okay? No problem.
Como song.
Di kapar re. Kapar.
Kapar. Di kapar.
That's it.
Tension la. So the mobile or the landline or any telephone is supposed to be kapara.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. If you look at the word, ka is mouth and par is picture, mouth picture. Okay? That's it.
Also tends
Okay.
Kapar.
Okay.
Sorry. Is it same to say I don't understand and to say I don't know?
Yes, that's same thing. Yes.
Okay.
Hakoma.
Okay.
Como song.
Hola, so. Tainda. Till now, we have learned di karere, the karere. We know how to question this. We know how to answer this. Okay? Then we know di kapar repe. Like this. Okay? Re, di kapar re. Now, if someone asks, di look marepe. Mare, di look mare. Di kapar re. Like this. Okay? We can answer. So that we already know. Okay? So yesterday I introduced new letter in the bottom, right? We call it ratak. Ra, tak. Okay? Because the ra is in the bottom, we are tying the ra in the bottom. That's why we don't write ra as this one. We write like this. Write like this. Okay? The shape changed to this. So we are tying the ra in the bottom. That's why we are saying ratak. Okay? That's it. Ratak. Okay? Ani? Ka. Ratak tra. Tha. Ratak tra. Pa. Ratak tra. Okay? And when there is a prefix or letter on the top, then these three becomes more base, right? Dra, like this. We learn the word dradang, right? Because there is sa on the top, that's why it became dradang. Okay? Ka, ratak tra, tha, ratak tra, pa, ratak tra, dradang, chikpare. Okay? Dradang, chikpare. We know this, chikpare. Okay? The question is, chikparepe. Re, dradang, chikpare. Okay? In the yen hongla. Di lok tang.
Car, radak, tra,
Mhm.
塔拉的床，爬拉的床，
Pea po. Okay. Mhm. Dradang chikpa repe.
这当几把人，
Pea po. Okay. Mhm. Ta di karere. Di karere.
撒把的撒爬的把拉的抓，
Pea po.
抓人，
Mhm. Tra to dra like this. Okay. Pea po. Mhm. Agulo song. Now here today we have these three we can see are category, right? Tra, ah. Now we have ha category here. Ka, ratak, tra. Ka, ratak, tra. Mhm. Pa, ratak, tra. Like this. Okay? Mhm. Kinda. Sonjala. Sonjala di karere.
Die Kaffee?
Di karere. Yanker sunga. Again. Di karere.
Kaffee.
Ka.
That's
Ka.
the
Mhm.
Kaffee A category.
That's it.
Ka.
Ka. Okay. That's it. Then we have here a category. Ka. Ratak tra.
Pa.
Pa. Ratak tra. Pa. Ratak tra. Radang chikpare. Okay. Radang chikpare. That's it. Okay.
Angela, the car is a new word. This one,
Which one? This one?
car. Car, yes.
Yes, this is ka. Ka. Okay.
Yeah, we haven't learned this word before.
Yes. So today we introduce this. Ka as
Ka.
a category. It's the
Okay.
first alphabet of Tibetan letter. Okay.
Ka.
Ka. Oh.
Yeah, just like
Ka.
the ka. Ka.
Ah,
Ka. Okay.
like
Ka. Okay, ka.
we can
Tenzin La.
yes.
These are in the ha category or in the
Which
ah.
one? Which one? This one?
Yeah.
This one, when I say ka, what do you think?
Ah.
That's it.
Okay.
Ka, category re. Okay. So here we have ka, ratak tra, ta, ratak tra, pa, ratak tra, dradang, chikpare. Okay.
All become tra, huh?
Re re.
Re.
Then we have here ka, ratak tra, pa, ratak tra. Dradang chikpare, ha category re. Okay. But we know that ha and category doesn't change the sound. So that's easy. Okay. The change is here. Category, right? To higher or to more bass, right? So these three are example of one that becomes more bass. Tra to da. Okay. So higher, if I show you ma ratak ma, like this. Okay. Na ratak na, like this.
Pensionla, in the second row, the ka ratak is what?
Which one?
Ka ratak is what?
This one?
Yes, ka ratak is what?
This is not ka, right? This is ka. Okay? It's this one. Ka. Okay?
Yeah, ka ratak is what? It's
Tra.
pronounced
Tra.
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 Okay,
With the strong air coming out.
okay, tra. Okay,
Mm.
okay.
Ka ratak tra.
Mhm.
Pa ratak tra. Radang chikpare.
Okay.
Okay? Like this.
Tenzin La,
Yes, please.
can you pronounce, so the bottom row, the ka, cha, ta, ba, but then can you pronounce the same three up top? I'm not hearing the difference. Not those ones, not the ka or the tra, but just above, the one we did the last time. So the three bottom ones, the three new ones, and the three old ones. The ka, the low ones, the ah.
Okay.
So
You
like ka, that
you-
means tra. Yeah, those three, to hear the difference with these three, I don't hear it so well.
Okay, no problem. Here, all these three are tra. All these three
Tra.
are tra.
Oh, okay.
Tra.
Tra
Tra.
and tra,
Tra.
tra. Okay, thank you.
That's it. Tugjeche. Okay? That's it. It's good if you write down the new things during the during the lesson. Okay? Ka ratak tra. Ka ratak tra. Manipeme hum. Okay, we did this already, right? Did we did this? No, right? Not okay. Yes, we did
Not
this,
yet.
right?
Yes, we did this. Yes, we did this.
Okay. So here we learn Dradang Chikpa Repe. Right? That's that question. Dradang pronunciation. Dradang
Yeah.
Chikpa Repe. Like this. Okay. Tadi sa patak pa shabkyu pu. A pa shabkyu bu. Pu bu. Ditang di Dradang Chikpa Mare. Okay? That's it. Lainda. Tukje lainda. Di karire.
Oh, D, I can't quite see. D, na, D, na, re.
Na mare.
Na, yeah, no, na, re.
Oh, that's it.
Na, re.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Di karere.
D, nga, re.
Di thang di dradang chikpa repe.
D, tang, D, chikpa, dradang, chikpa, mare.
That's it. That's it. Okay. Hmm. Okay.
Na is a face. Na is face.
Which one?
The one
No, it's I. Me.
I re. Nga. It's a
No,
pronoun
no.
for
No, the na is the nose. The na is the nose. This one, the guy, the man, the one next to the drum.
yes, this one.
No. The drum. We go back to the drum. Yeah, the drum. Yeah. Then on the right, this guy. What the na? Yeah, it is for meant who? What does it mean? Na.
I.
I, the person.
Yes. It's a
Oh.
pronoun for you. I.
Me. So
Right? Hmm?
me. It's me.
No, it's I.
I.
Okay, like nga Tenzin Ray. I am Tenzin, like this.
Okay.
Tenzin.
Na Tenzin Ray. Okay. I see. Thank you.
No problem. Also. Okay. Dainda. Rodrigo la di karere.
Okay, I forgot. Wait a minute.
Hakoma song. You can say Hakoma song.
Hakamason.
We learned poo, right? For the hair, body hair, right? But
Okay.
since it's near the mouth, you can say kapu. Okay?
Kapu. Kapure.
That's it. The kapure. Okay?
Kapure.
The kapures. Okay. So in this, you can say lakpa nga. Lakpa nga. Langatak nga. Okay? Nga is a number. It's a number 5. Okay? If you want to write down. La ngatak nga. So if we count here, there is 5 lakpa. Lakpa chik ni sum shi nga. Lakpa nga. Ngangpa chik ni sum shi nga. Ngangpa nga. Here, nganglak chik ni sum shi nga. Nganglak nga. Lakpa nga. Ngangpa nga. Nganglak nga. It's just a pronunciation practice. Okay? Tongue twister.
Okay. It's 5. Nga.
Re.
Oh.
If the letter on the top is ra ngatak nga, then it's ding, right? When it's la ngatak nga, then it's number 5. Okay? Inayang ra ngatak nga thang, la ngatak nga dradang chikpare. Okay? Meaning chikpa mare. Dradang chikpare. Okay. I think in this new word is nganglak. Nga ngang. La kalak. Nganglak. Okay. That's it.
Nanglak is how many?
Nganglak nga. Remember? If
How
we
many?
count here, chik, ni, sum, shi, nga. We see 5 of nganglak here. Okay.
Oh, but we say lapak, lapak also 5, huh?
Re. Lakpa chik, ni, sum, shi, nga. We see 5 lakpa here. 5
so
ngangpa here. Okay.
lakpa, ngangpa, nganglak.
Oh, fair.
oh, lapak, ngangpa. Okay, five hands, huh?
Re.
Okay.
5
And then
hands,
5 duck,
5 ngangpa,
5
5
duck,
nganglak. Okay.
and then bananas is called what?
Nganglak,
Nganglak.
ngangang, lakalak, nganglak,
Oh, fair.
nganglak.
Nganglak. Okay.
Pa.
That's it. This is just a tongue twister, not that important. Okay. Inda. That's a reading practice Inda. Oh, Gabriella Inda. Gabriella, di tang, di karere.
Di ra jingpo re tha re re
Pego.
di
Ma
na
tong me tha me, na tha ne,
me thong me re di na
yo,
tha
yo,
ne re
Pego, re.
tha naro,
Me.
po tha, te.
Me. Okay. That's it. Okay. Oh, Inda.
What is the last one called? Re, me, and then what? Ne?
Na, tha, ne. Like this. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Tadi Inda. Oh. Nyurmala Inda. Nyurmala di tang, di karere.
Di ya naru yo ta yo
Ya mare ya. Ya.
ya
Ya naru yo
naru
ta
yo
yu.
ta yo.
Okay.
Okay.
It's like a sound, and the reason is it's a mix between O and A. O and A mixed together. Okay. That's it. Yu. Ya naru yo ta yu.
Yo
Okay. Nyurmala di karire.
naru bo ta bo
Pö.
bo
Okay.
yo bo.
Peago. Pö. Yu. Okay. Hola so. 다 소개를 하몰라인다. 디탕 디 카레레.
Pa sa pe ka sa ke na sa ne.
빼고. 오케이. 따인다. 마르셀로 라인다. 디 카레레.
Ta, ka naru, ko, sa, gu.
빼고. That's it. Good. That's it. Okay. That's it. 야kul랍송 마르셀로 라. Hola so. 따인다. 엔 클레르 라인다. 엔 클레르 라. 디탕 디 카레레.
Oh gosh.
라.
Cell. La. La. Na. Len.
빼고.
Ra. La. Ren. Kala. Kel.
말 라 말에 나.
Na.
Ken. Ka, na, ken.
That's it. Ra, na, ren, la, na, len, ka, na, ken.
Na,
Okay?
ken.
That's
Okay.
it. That's
Mhm.
so. Ta inda, alona la inda. Alona la, di tang, di karire.
Pa. La. Pel.
Uh-huh.
Ya. La. Yel.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Okay. One more line, one more line, di karire.
Ta naro to na ten.
Very good. That's it. Nimala in the Nimala, di karire. Ale Nimala yosamale. Jake la in the Jake la di karire.
Ma, naro, mo, la, mol?
Mul.
Mul. Mul.
Okay. O and L together, mul, like this. Okay, little bit bend. Yaku love song. Okay. Ani Darala in the Darala di karire.
Ta, naro, to, na, pen.
Pen. Okay. Nikila yupe, Nikila. Nikila yosamale. Okay. Rodrigo la in the Rodrigo la di karire. Tilotha.
Okay. Ta, ka, naro, ko, sa. Ke?
Oh, good. But there is a prefix, so it becomes more base, right?
Ke.
That's it. Good.
Ke.
That's it.
Ke. Okay.
Good. Okay.
Can I ask why here just good?
Naro and sa, e and o together, good.
Okay. Good. Okay, yeah, I see.
Because we know any alphabet with the sa or tha suffix is a. So naro is o, mixed together, okay? Like this. Last.
Sorry, Tensila, how do you pronounce it? Ta, naro, go, and then sa is what?
Good.
Good.
Good. Okay.
Goe.
Not go away like
Goe.
just go. Like
Go.
not
Go.
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 Can you say
Go.
go?
Go. Go.
Go. That's it. Practice little bit.
Yes, we'll have to practice this word. It's difficult, this word. Right?
Yes, I understand. There are sounds that are not in your language.
Yeah.
For that, that's why I say exaggerate your mouth movement. So you break down the old habit. Okay?
Okay.
That's it. Lasso, tujiche. Okay. Now today we already learned this question, okay? Kare. Di kare re, te kare re. Now, su, sa, shabkyu su. And ka, na, sa, ne, kane. Okay? Su, who, kane. From where? Okay? Please write down.
Su is from where or Kani?
Su, who.
Who? Who?
Please write down. Okay. That's it. Su. Khane. Okay.
Honey means what? Tenzin?
Yes. From where? From where? From where? Okay.
Oh, from where? Honey.
Yes. From where? Su Khane. Okay. Now let's put it in the sentence. Okay. Achak di. Sure. Achak di sure. Okay. Achak di sure. Let's try. If you don't know, it's okay. Okay. Yen hong la in the yen hong la. Achak di sure.
하고마송.
Achak di Hillary Clinton Ray. Okay. Okay. Suppose this is a female and her name is, let's say, Sonja. Okay. Then I ask, Achak
Di 송자래.
That's it. Instead of just D, you say Achak di.
There is a background sound. Somebody's playing something. Somebody is playing something in the background.
Yes, no problem. So here, why D? You cannot use just D directly to the human, okay? We use D for non-human, okay? Pronoun, okay? So that's why I use Achak di, this sister, okay? We know Achak, right? Sister. So Achak di, okay?
Sorry, Achak is sister? Is two?
Yes. Achak is the elder sister, okay?
Okay. That's another new word today. Okay.
Okay. I think we already know Chocho then. Chocho.
No, not yet.
Okay. Chocho, elder brother, okay?
Okay. So moment, Achak is elder sister, Chocho is.
Yes.
We write down first. Okay. Achak is elder sister.
Achak di means this sister. Chocho di means this brother.
Chocho di. Chocho is big or small brother or same.
No, bigger, elder
Bigger
brother.
elder brother. Okay.
What about for younger?
Then we will learn this later. Okay.
Okay. Today we elder only. We go for elders today. Okay.
Yes, yes. Let's go from top.
Okay. Achak di sure. Okay. Okay. Achak di sure. Okay. Chocho di sure.
That's
Okay.
it. Okay.
So humans we don't use the D. So what do you use?
Which one?
We said no, for the humans we cannot use the word D. D is for the non-humans, right? So for the humans, what the word use we use? We use their what do you call title or their what?
For the human, we have
Like
pronoun.
like we say, di carere, okay?
Yes.
So that means what is this? That's for the object, right? Or non-human. So for the humans, if I say who is this, so what will I say?
Then we have a different pronoun for this. So we will learn this in a little bit. Okay.
Okay, so we haven't learned today yet. Okay, so we don't use it yet. But so we just learned the elder sister and elder brother. Okay.
But why can you use here D once brother and sister is also a person?
Oh, yes, because I cannot use D directly. So that's why I use noun with the D. Okay. That's okay.
Okay.
Because we don't, I don't know English well. Maybe who is this? Who is this sister is, I think, better. That's how we say. We don't say who is this. We say who is this sister? Who is this brother? Or we can say who is she? Who is he? Like this, right? So she and he, we have a pronoun here. I can write it down. So you can say kong, okay? Ka naru ko nga kong. To both gender, there is no gender. Okay?
Kong. Naru kong nga kong.
That's
Okay.
it.
Kong.
Means he or she?
Yes. Or he, she, or them, they, everyone.
So instead of D, then for persons.
Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, kong. Then we can use ko for male and mo for female, okay? If you want to know.
Kong, kong, mo. Can you use it in a sentence or a word so we know how it is used?
Yes, yes. Kong sure, ko sure, mo sure, like this.
Lasso.
Kong Michael Jackson Ray, Kong Hillary Clinton Ray, Kong Donald Trump Ray. Okay, like this.
Lasso. Okay.
Okay, let's try.
Tenzila,
Yes.
if it's somebody like that we really respect, like His Holiness, can you still say Kong, or is there a different, more formal
No,
pronoun?
it's same. Okay.
It would still be the same. Okay, thank you.
Kong. Okay. Okay, let's try. Sonjala. Kongsure.
Kong Michael Jackson Ray.
That's it. That's the answer. Okay. Yeah, Thukjela.
Could I say also ko? Or could you ask also ko?
Yes. So ko is little bit informal, but it's okay. You can say it. Okay. Ko and mo is little bit informal. So kong is, we can use this to everyone. Okay. Yeah, Jekla in the Jekla. Kongsure.
Kong Michael Jackson Ray.
That's it. Or if I ask, Kong Donald Trump Repe.
Kong Donald Trump Madre.
That's
Kong Michael Jackson Ray.
Okay. Yeah, Rodrigo la in the Rodrigo la Kongsure.
Kong Michael Jackson Ray.
Kong Michael Jordan Repe.
Mare. Kong Michael Jordan Mare. Kong Michael Jackson Ray.
That's it. That's it. Okay. Yeah. N Claire la in the N Claire la. N Claire la Kongsure.
Kong Michael Jordan Ray.
Kong Elon Musk Repe.
Mare Kong Michael Jordan Ray.
That's it. Okay. The Tenzin la in the Tenzin la. Tenzin la Kongsure. Oh. Tenzin la yosamare. Wangmo la in the. Wangmo la Kongsure.
Kong Kong Michael Jordan Ray.
Oh, Kong Tenzin Repe.
Mare Kong Tenzin Mare.
That's it. Okay. Then the second question we learned today is also same style. Okay. Kong Kane Re. Okay. Kong Brazil ne re. Kong America ne re. Kong Japan ne re. Kong Portugal ne re. Kong Taiwan ne re. Kong China ne re. Kong anything. Okay. Europe ne re. If you notice, I say ne in the answer. Okay. Europe ne, from Europe. Brazil ne, from Brazil. Okay.
Stella, what is Khane?
From where?
Oh, from where? Okay. Yes, we did earlier. Khane, yes. Sorry, I forgot. Khane, yes.
No problem.
So we reply back as Kong, like for you for the Kong India Ray. Tenzin, no, right? You're from India, so I say Kong India Ray.
No, I'm not India. You have to say ne. India ne, from India. Okay. If you say Kong India Re, That means you are saying he is India.
I
Okay?
say. So what do I say? Kong,
India, ne. You have to use this ne. From
Kong India ne. Okay.
Kong India ne re. Kong phe ne re. Anything. Okay?
Okay.
But
Okay.
here Kong ko mo is a third person. Kong, third person. Okay?
Okay. Yeah. So third person Kong.
Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Gabriella in the Gabriella Kongsure.
D, His Holiness the Dalai Lama Re.
Kong, you can say Kong, okay?
Kong.
For the third
Kong.
person. Kongsure.
Kong, His Holiness Re.
Kong Kanere.
Kong Tibet Re. Kong Tibet Ne.
Re. Finish the sentence, okay? Like this, okay?
Ne Re.
That's it. You have to say Re at the end.
Okay.
Kong, Tibet ne Re, or India ne Re, Europe ne Re, anything, okay? Yeah, Alona in the Alona. Kongsure.
Con His Holiness the Dalai Lama Re.
Kong Kanere.
Con Tibet ne Re.
That's it. Okay, before we write down, let me write Pa Narupo Ta Pö, Tibet. Okay? Pö. Pa Narupo Ta Pö. Okay? Pa Narupo Ta Pö. Okay?
Can you please pronounce again?
Pa Narupo Ta Pö. Pö.
Means what?
Pa Narupo Ta Pö. Tibet. It's Tibet. Okay? Then you can say Kong Pö Ne Re. Like this. Okay?
Kong.
Means he or she is from Tibet, right?
That's it. Kong Pö Ne Re. Then for yourself, you can say Nga Pö Ne Yin. Okay? So I didn't say Re here. I said Yin. So they both are same, Re and Yin. So Yin is usually more formal and Re is colloquial. Okay? So but when we use it in the daily conversation, Yin is you use it more close. When it more close, it's for you. Okay. Like this.
What does it mean?
It's same as the M is R, like this. Okay.
So how do you read it?
Meaning, I am from Tibet.
Yes. Ya kiku yi na yin.
Yin, yeah. Yeah. Re.
Okay.
So it's read as Na, Tibet, Re, Yin, huh?
Yes, yes. You can say per, okay?
Na, Pe, Re, Yin.
Oh, ne, yin. Okay.
Na, Tibet, Ne, Yin.
Now I can say
Na, Pe,
nga tenzin yin. Nga pöne yin. Okay?
Okay.
Let's try Sonjala. Nga sonja yin, like this. Can you try?
Nga Sonja Jin. Yin. Yin.
And nga
Nga Germany na Yin.
oh, Germany ne yin.
Ne Yin. Sorry.
That's it. Okay, you practice little bit, you already know. Okay. Markla in the Markla. Can you introduce?
Na Mark Yin. Na America ne Yin.
That's it. Okay. Jekla in the
Na Jake Yin. Na UK Ne Yin.
That's it. Okay. I can see most of the student or most of my friend, I will say, my friend, difficulty in saying nga. Don't touch your tongue on the top of the mouth. Leave the tongue down there, open the mouth, nga, like this, okay? If you touch the tongue up, then it sounds like a na, like this, right? Don't touch it, okay? Okay, Thukchela, can you introduce?
Nga tukcheyin, nga ariwa dang Europe ne yin.
Yeah, Alona Lainda.
Na Alona Yin. Ukraine Ne Yin.
That's it. Okay, Gabriel Lainda, yeah.
Na Gabriel Yin. And Na America Ne Yin.
Hola, so. Yeah, and Claire Lainda.
Nga Anne Claire Yin. Nga UK Ne Yin.
Sogel Hamo Lainda.
Nga Sokyahamo Yin. Nga Thailand Ne Yin.
Marcelo Lainda.
Na Marcelo Yin. Na Brasil Ne Yin.
That's it. Good. Okay. Oh, let's go. Okay. Oh, now here it's just achak di. Okay. Achak di, or third person you can say kong. Same. Chikpare. Okay. Now let's try with Nurmala in the Nurmala. Nurmala. Di. Nurmala. Di.
Na.
Na.
Ajak di sure.
Oh, we are talking about this picture, okay? Achak di pema re. Pema re.
Pema khane re.
Pema phene re.
P khane re.
Kham ne re. Okay? Yakulo song Nurmala. Hola so. Ta in the Nikila yube, Nikila. Nikila is a Darala in the Darala.
Yeah. La.
No, Darala.
Achak.
Oh, Kumba Matsum. Here.
Cha.
A tha kiku di. Achak di.
Achak. Achak. Oh, achak di. Okay. Achak di sure.
Achak di pema re.
Achak di pema re. Which one is pema? Achak di pema re.
Pema is a name. Pema, Tenzin.
Yeah, yeah. This is pema, right? This is pema.
Pema khane re. You can ask.
Yeah. Pema khane re.
Pema phene re. Okay.
What
That's
is
here. Phe khane re. Yes.
Okay. Phu khane re. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
America khane re. Los Angeles ne re. Like this. Okay. Phe khane re. Kham ne re.
What is khane?
Kham is like a province in Tibet.
I see.
Which
Khane.
I came from. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Like
Okay.
this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Kham ne re. Okay. That's it. So instead of achak di, we can say kong su re. Kong pema re. Kong khane re. Kong phe ne re. Like this.
So achak is what, more formal or what?
No, that's achak di is like this sister.
Okay, achak di is like this sister. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Elder sister. Oh,
Yes.
is this?
Yes, yes. Elder sister. Okay. Like this. Okay, we know how to say it, then we can look at the shape of the letter and recognize it and connect it with the sound you can say. Okay? Achak di sure. Achak di pema re. Pema khane re.
Pema khane re. Yeah.
Pema phene re. Phe khane re. Kham ne re. Just like,
Okay.
okay?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's try. Yeah, Gabriella in the Gabriella. Kongsure.
Kong Chumpre.
Kong Kanere.
Kong America Nere.
Ale. America Kanere. Washington nere, Los Angeles nere, New York nere, nere.
Kong New York Re?
New York nere. Like that.
New York Nere.
Okay. Like this.
Oh, Florida nere.
Like this. Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. So now you know how to introduce yourself and you know how to introduce the third person, okay? And the pronoun. And we know kane question, and su, who, okay? Like that. Okay. Tainda. Nyurmala inda, nyurmala. Ditang di karere.
Di dang di shure. What?
Okay.
What? Di dang di karere.
Ditang di hamkok re. La hatak ha. Ma lam. Ka naroko ka kok. Hamkok. Hamkok. Okay.
Hamkok re. Di dang di hamkok re.
Hamkok.
Hamkok.
When you say ha, you have to touch the tip of the tongue on the back of the upper teeth. Okay? Ha. Ha. Like this.
Ha.
Hamkok. Hamkok. Hamkok.
Hancock is what? Boots?
The shoes, any shoes. Okay?
Okay, any kind of shoes, not boots and all that, any kind of shoes. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you read this again? This la ha.
La.
The letters.
Ha. Ha. La. Hatak. Ha. Ha. Okay. Hamkok. Hamkok.
Hum. So this hum.
No, it's ha. Ha.
La. Ha. Tak. Ha. Ma.
Ham. Ham.
Ham.
Ham.
Ha. Naro. Ha. Kok.
Hamkok.
Hamkok.
Hamkok. Okay.
Hamkok.
Then we know kaki already. Which, right?
Kaki, yes.
Then if I ask you, Hamkok kaki pönere. Hamkok kaki pönere. Then you can say Hamkok di pönere. Hamkok di pöne mare. Hamkok di America ne re or Europe ne re, like this. Okay. Okay. Then we know this already. Dung. Okay. Check line da. Di thang di karere.
Di thang
Di
Di
tang di chikpa mari.
Karere. What? Di thang di karere.
Oh, di tang di go re.
Oh, go mare. Di thang di nga re. Ra, nga tak nga. Okay?
Are.
Nga tak nga. And Jekla, nga di khane re. Nga di khane re.
Na di pu ne re.
That's it. Okay? Nga di phene re. Like this. Okay? So I will stop here right now. And today we learned su, khare, khane, okay, nga tenzin yin, nga phene yin, nga India ne yin, nga America ne yin, anything, okay? Like this. Then for the third person, kong tenzin re, kong phene re, or kong mark re, kong America ne re. Oh, like this. Okay? So that's it for today. Tashi Delek, practice well, and we see you in the next lesson. Tuji Che. Tashi Delek.
Tudiche.
Tuji Che.
Thank you. Tudiche.
Tuji Che. Ni Jela Jeyong. Lasso. That's it. Okay.